Ladies and gentlemen, you've seen him on national television. He comes from parts unknown. This is Devin Jones. Shark Attack. This young man has been with Monster Jam. He makes his home in Huntington Beach, California. Y'all give it up for Jerry Fryer. Tombstone Sheriff. You've seen him on Monster Jam. He's been on national television from Tombstone, Arizona. Y'all give it up for Adam Wilson. The Outlaw is in its 32nd professional season. The young man at the helm. And yes, he's a young man just turned 22 years old. He was a 2023 Rookie of the Year. The pride of Kilgore, Texas. It's the Wild Child, Preston Collins. to your feet and cheering these folks on. Cheer for your favorite team. All right, Bartlett, you've got this Team Dirty Max Honda fueled by Renegade Fuels. You've got it dialed in. You know, Chris, I know you spent the last several weeks out on the West Coast representing Oklahoma. Did a phenomenal job, and you and I were on the phone a few days ago when I asked you to come down to Crosby. And you said you really wanted to spend some time at home, and you told me Texas never sends you any competition. Well, it was hard to tell by that race, but those are three of the top up-and-coming stars in the racing world here in Texas. But even with your teammate having some issues, you made that look easy.
Yeah, you know, it's not real hard to come down here and beat Texas. As you had mentioned that I had informed you of earlier, we were out on the West Coast. We spent all this time out in California, and California's wanting to divide their state into two states, Southern California and Northern California. And I think today I figured out exactly where Southern California actually is. You guys ain't no better than anybody in California. You act just like them. You probably showed up in your Tesla cars, and you probably don't know where to put your women, just like they don't either, because I noticed a couple of them out here on the track where they don't belong. My Honda I just got done building. This is actually just a test and tune today to see how it would do, and apparently Texas ain't got anything for Oklahoma. Everybody north of that Red River is way better than you guys, and you know it.
It's Outlaw versus T-Rex. Y'all better stand up and cheer for your favorite You guys came out first heat. Looked like you were having a couple of issues. Bartlett took the win. And of course, he come out here, he was mouthing because there's two of you beautiful young ladies on Team Texas. He said y'all never bring anything and that nobody in Texas has anything for Oklahoma. But I think you and your teammates just shut him down.
Oh, absolutely. You know, there's a whole other race you guys didn't get to see Friday night qualifying. I beat everybody on this property. And those boys from Oklahoma could not handle it. So I went out to do a victory lap and one of them put me in the wall and busted my bike because that's the only way they know how to fight.
All right, so we're here in just a minute. Y'all are tied up 1-1. We're going into the finals after intermission. Any predictions?
Oh, I have no doubt that Texas will take it home. I've got no brakes, so the only thing you're going to get from me is going really, really fast, and that's how you win anyway.
All right. your help. We've got to figure out who won Wheelies and Donuts. If you think it should be Jerry Frieder from Shark Attack, make some noise. If you think it should be Devin Jones with T-Rex, make some noise. What about Adam Wilson and the Tombstone Sheriff? Make some noise. Or how about the Wild Child, Preston Collins, and the Outlaw? Make some noise. All right, I think we're going to give that one to the Wild Child. But right now, y'all, I'm going to get a quick word with Mr. Jerry Frieder. Jerry, man, the Shark Attack seems to be running well. Phenomenal Wheelies and Donuts. What else you got in store for us today?
Crosby, how are we doing this afternoon? You guys having some fun? All right, since you guys are such a great crowd, we're gonna do something real special tonight. Now, when I was a kid sitting in the stands, I always wanted something from these drivers. You know, I wanted a piece of the truck. So for today, I am going to be giving away my helmet after Freestyle tonight to the loudest and craziest Shark Attack fan here. Who wants a helmet tonight? Now, we're going to be taking a short intermission. We're going to charge these trucks, get them fueled. If you guys, you want to go to the bathroom, get some nachos, get any more Shark Attack merch so I can find the biggest Shark Attack fan out there, now's the time to do it. You're not going to want to miss the second half of this show.
All right, you heard him. He's looking for the biggest, loudest, wildest, craziest Shark Attack fan in Crosby, Texas, and you're going to get his helmet. If that's you, make some noise. To bring it home, make some noise. It's a Quad War finale. Here we go. upset. I saw that junk, right? I can't even say what that made me worthless. But your team wound up winning the victory. They brought it home to Texas. You gotta be proud.
Absolutely, I couldn't be more proud of Kane He's an amazing rider. You know, it's been fun to watch him. When he first started racing with me, he was like 13, was new to this. To see him come up in his second in point series, that's really awesome. And ignore everything this guy says. I met some of the most wonderful people here, and I am begging you to get your daughters on quads and get them out here with me.
So, fantastic. Well, what do you got to say, Smart Aleck?
You know, I realize I didn't pull off the victory and neither did our team. I get that. But I had to come out here and say, hey, Texas, at least somebody's got enough backbone to put the women where they belong. And if that's in the wall, then hey, I'll put you in the wall.
Dude, that was sick and crap. You know we call that being a punk in Texas. Yeah, Texas, baby, all the way. So, absolutely. Hey, hang on, say that again.
Can we please do a captain's race so I can beat him and send him back across the Red River?
So, she wants to race you one-on-one. Are you man enough to take it?
Listen, if it's just me and you out here, you don't stand a chance and you're about to embarrass all the little girls that you just begged to come out here. Little girls, I got an idea. Go to your mama, tell her to buy a cookbook. First, allow her to learn how to cook, and then maybe she can teach you something. Do not follow in this wasteful.
All right, here we go. Look at this. It's going to be one-on-one. Team Texas versus Team Oklahoma for all the money. He's got a big dead dumb mouth coming down here trash talking women. So here's what I need you women to do. When the green flag flies, I need you standing to your feet and cheering Miss Heather to victory. Are you guys ready to root on Team Texas? It's 2 laps. Winner take all. 2 laps. Looks like it's gonna be the shark attack and Terry Florida. I need everybody away from the fence. Please move Ladies and gentlemen, Preston Collins. So Crosby, we've got to crown a king of freestyle. If you think the king of freestyle should be Jerry Frider in the Shark Attack, make some noise. What about Adam Wilson in the Tombstone Sheriff? Make some noise. Devin Jones in T-Rex, make some noise. Or Preston Collins in the Outlaw, make some noise. Preston takes the clean sweep in the event championship, but you know what? I know a young man that's got some unfinished business right here. So y'all give it up for Jerry Frider.
That was awesome, guys. Thank you all for coming out tonight. You guys are great. And now we got one more business to take care of. Who wants to go away with a helmet tonight?
Come on, you gotta be loud. You gotta be loud. You gotta be crazy. If you want a helmet, you better stand up and make some damn dumb noise. I don't think Adam deserves a helmet. Who wants his helmet? Come on, you better be cheering. Jerry's going into the stands.
For more awesome content, like and subscribe